Hey guys. This is CXPEAS05 here. Do you want to consider hitting that subscribe button to get more latest content from CXP himself? Don't miss out on it. Smash that like and subscribe buttons and twist that notification bell.
Why, Key West? Why? My 120 gonna go? So I had to make sure that my 120 goes off for that because it's unfortunately not going off. Aw, dang, this didn't go off.
34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Locations in the warning include Buttonwood Sound, Key Largo Dry Rocks, Mosquito Bank Line, Blackwater Sound, Kingfish Creek, Eagle Grove, and Joyceburg Creek Line. Prepare for wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, deep and fast-building seas, frequent lightning, and blinding downpours. Stay low or go below, and make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. The marine forecast for the fall.
Yeah, unfortunately, the signal was not even strong enough for my 120 to go off. Unfortunately, the signal was not strong enough to get WWG 92 on this one, so therefore my 120 did not go off.
The National Weather Service in Key West has issued a special marine warning for Florida Bay, including Bond Sound, Blackwater Sound, and Buttonwood Sound. Hawk Channel from Ocean Reef spread keep out to the reef until 11:45 a.m. At 11:05 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Northwest Key, moving west at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Intent, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Locations in the warning include Buttonwood Sound, Twin Keys, Newtonbury Creek, Duck Keys, Mosquito Point, Florida Bay, and Keys. Prepare for wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, deep and fast-building seas, frequent lightning, and blinding downpours. Stay low or go below, and make sure all on board are wearing life jackets.
Well, there you have it.
The National Weather Service in Key West has issued a special marine warning for Hawk Channel and Straits of Florida from Ocean Reef, spread keep out 20 nautical miles, Florida Bay including Bond Sound, Blackwater Sound, and Buttonwood Sound until noon. At 11:20 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near
Knew it was gonna be a marine warning. Here we go. Oh shoot, WWG.
National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for Charlotte Harbor and Pine Island Sound. Coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 6 nautical miles east of Englewood to 10 nautical miles northeast of Captiva to near Sanibel, moving west at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Sudden high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are...
Oh, New Orleans, huh?
Locations impacted include Gasparilla Island, Englewood, Fort Myers Beach, M15 Reef, Venice Inlet, M16 Reef, Minnesota Key, Captiva, Sanibel, Don Pedro Island, Bonita Beach, and Venice. Move to safe harbor until the hazardous weather passes. Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG-59 listening area.
Are you kidding me, TBW? Again.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for Charlotte Harbor and Charlotte Sound. Coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Siesta Key to near Gasparilla Island to 6 nautical miles southwest of Captiva, moving west.
Another SMW again.
Wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Englewood, Longboat Key, Venice Inlet, M4 Reef, Siesta Key, M7 Reef, M8 Reef, M17 Reef, Big Sarasota Pass, M5 Reef, M1 Reef, Manatee 3 miles south of Reef, Sarasota Bay Heart Reef, Longboat Pass, Gasparilla Island, Manatee 7 miles south of Reef, M6 Reef, M15 Reef, M9 Reef, and Minnesota Key. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. For the WWG-59 listening area.
Well, here we go again.
And of course, the marine warning spam continues. There we go.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, Tampa Bay waters, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Egmont Key, moving northwest at 5 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Terra Sea Bay, Manatee 3 Mile North Reef, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Manatee 7 Mile South Reef, Igmont Key, Sunshine Skyway Bridge, St. Pete Beach,
Oh,
and
sorry,
O'Reilly
Rolex
Island,
again.
Casagrille Channel, St. Pete Beach Reef, Southwest Channel, Port Manatee Reef, Manatee 1 Mile Reef, Manatee 3 Mile South Reef, Manatee 7 Mile North Reef, Passage Key Inlet, Longboat Pass, and Longboat Key. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Your coastal water.
Thanks a lot, TVW. I was playing Roblox again.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, about 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles southwest of Johns Pass, moving northwest at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of...
I was literally playing Doge. We were literally playing Doge. I was doing the extremely dangerous situation tornado watch there. And then TVW said no.
Madera Beach Reef, Igmont Key, Indian Rocks Beach, Sunshine Skyway Bridge, St. Pete Beach, Bermuda, Anna Maria Island, Treasure Island Reef, Clearwater Pass, Casagrille Channel, Indian Shore Reef, St. Pete Beach Reef, Southwest Channel, Casagrille Reef, Manatee 1 Mile Reef, Manatee 7 Mile North Reef, Johns Pass, and Passage Key Inlet. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
I don't know you guys are gonna do that, TVW. Again.